Hello guys, a new mining video for Rubel coin. Get 1 Rubel daily. This is the homepage of the site. The link will be in description. Also on the first comment of the video, like you see, you will get this homepage. You click here, you change the language to English. Like that, language is changed. We click in accept it. We register. We will get 1,000 ruble for free as power mining. Like you see, you put your login, your password, then you enter to the site. We put our login. Now we enter to the site. We just do this captcha. We click in verify. Now we enter to the site. It's very simple. Like you see, this is our site today. Don't forget subscribe to my channel and share the video. Always translate this page to English or your preferred language. Like you see, you can reinvest your earning. You click here, you put your reinvest. Here you can collect your coins. Like you see, I have 1 ruble 15. You can top up your account. Like you see, for beginning, for professional, for business, and get more mining. Like you see, for 1,000 ruble, you would get 0.15% every day. This is our site. There is also Wheel of Fortune in the site. Like you see, you can earn daily. Like you see, this is Wheel of Fortune. Your office, it's your mining. This is my mining. Here you can withdraw. Like you see, for payeer, perfect money, Advicash, Kiwi wallet, you monet. Also in cryptocurrency, also in bank card. You can withdraw in bank card. Like you see, Visa, MasterCard, Word. This is our site today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.